Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I am here with the revision of the 12th lessons, question answers, and objectives. So let's get started. The first bit is fill in the blanks, and the first question is the earth is made up of land and dash. What it is made up of? Yes, it is made up of land and water, and most of the earth is covered with the water. Okay, the next, the dash is the space above the earth that we see when we look up. The answer is sky. Sky is a space above the earth that we see when we look up, isn't it? The earth is covered by a blanket of dash. Yes, it is covered by the blanket of air. It means that air is present everywhere. Fourth question is some parts of the land that are higher than the nearby areas are called dash and dash. Yes, the answer is mountains and hills. These are the parts of the land that are higher than the nearby places. So the answer is mountains and hills. Next, valleys are dash lands found between two hills or mountains. So look at the picture here. This is the picture of the valley. Okay, so what is a valley? A flat land between the two hills or mountains is called as the valley. So answer is flat. Next, very few plants can grow in the dash. It is nothing but the deserts. Look at the picture here. Because of the climate there, the climate of deserts will be very hot. Because of that reason, very few plants can grow in it. So the answer is deserts. Okay, the next is tick the correct sentences, cross out the ones which are incorrect. So you have to tick the right sentences and you have to cross out the ones which are not correct, which are incorrect. Okay, the first question is we can see the sun in the sky at night. Answer is cross here. Why? Because during the night time we can see the moon and stars, not the sun, isn't it? So the answer is cross. Next, flat lands are called plains. Yes, right. Look at the picture here. These are the flat lands. They are called as plains. So the answer is right. Next, plants grow well in deserts. Is it right, children? No. The plants doesn't grow well in deserts because of the hot climate there. So the answer is cross here. Forests are full of trees. Is it right? Yes. Look at the picture here. It is a picture of the forest. So in the forest you can find the different kinds of trees and animals. So the answer is right. Next, we share the earth with plants and animals. Is it so? Yes, we share the earth with all the plants and animals. Next is the D bit. Write day for the things you do during the day and night for the things you do at night. So here you have to write the day for the things you do during the daytime and night for the things you do at the night time. Okay, so the first one is have dinner. When do you have dinner, children? Yes, right. We have dinner in the night. So the answer is NIGHT, night. Next, go to school. When do you go to school, children? During the daytime. So answer is DAY, day. Next, sleep for a long time. When will sleep? Yes, during the night time. Switch on the lights during the night time only. After the sunset, it will become dark. So we need lights, isn't it, at that time? So switch on the lights means the answer is night. Next, have breakfast. When do you have breakfast, children? During the daytime, in the morning, right? Now let's revise the question answers of this lesson. So here we go. The first is words for practice. You need to learn the spellings also, children, isn't it? So for that you need to practice it. And the first word is earth. EARTH, earth. Next is sky. SKY, sky. Next, moon. MOON, moon. STARS, stars. SUN, sun. CLOUDS, clouds. LAND, land. WATER, water. Now comes the question answers. What is the earth made up of, children? Yes, it is made up of land and water. So the earth is made up of land and water. Next, what are mountains? The land masses higher than the nearby land are called mountains. Next one. Why do we need air, children? We need air to breathe. All the living beings, plants, animals, and human beings, we need air to breathe. Next is, what are deserts? Some places that are hot and dry and few plants can grow are called deserts. Right, children? The next is, name some things you can see in the sky. We can see the sun, the moon, the clouds, and the stars in the sky. During the daytime, we can see the sun and the clouds, and during the nighttime, we can see the moon, stars. Isn't it, children? Well, that's it. It was the end of our 11th lesson. So, 12th lesson, that is our earth. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.